If you are wondering if you can add the cleaning solution to water for mopping in iRobot Roomba 505, in the short answer, yes, you can add a cleaning floor solution in certain circumstances, but it must be the right kind, approved or compatible, otherwise you risk damaging the internals, invalidating your warranties, or clogging, causing corrosion. So if you want to add any cleaning solution, you should follow the exact FAQ for your robot, and I can tell you the few solutions that I found that you can use with your robot. So first one is iRobot cleaning solution, other one is Stay Clean mopping concentrate, and another one is iRobot hard floor, a robot cleaning solution, and last one is Bona hard surfaced hardwood floor cleaner. But keep in mind that you should always read the instructions for your solutions to dilute them properly with water, otherwise it may foam or even damage your robot. So always follow those instructions and everything will be good. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.